Welcome to this truly beautiful 1880s Victorian-era home in Mordialloc, a renovation we have recently had the absolute pleasure of completing. We'll start in the master ensuite, which has been completely transformed. One of the key changes was the addition of a highlight window, which allowed us to introduce more natural light into the space, while also freeing up wall space. They gave us the perfect opportunity to install a stunning LED mirror and custom design vanity, both of which instantly elevate the room. We were also very mindful of the relationship between the shower and the original clawfoot bath. To make this work, we designed a custom shower screen with centre opening pivot doors that fold inward, meaning the doors don't open onto the bath, maintaining both function and flow. Working with the original 3.8 metre ceilings was another challenge and an opportunity. A ceiling rose was added to complement the existing cornices, and this is truly a credit to our plasterer. The detail, the joins and proportions is craftsmanship at its finest. You'll also notice huge custom wardrobes in the master suite. These feature an ultra gloss finish and are fully customised internally, with shelving, hanging space and drawers configured exactly to the owner's needs. The entire suite's beautifully anchored by the original clawfoot bath from the 1880s, which was part of the home from the very beginning, and this stunning chandelier that really completes the room. The result is a master ensuite that feels luxurious, timeless and completely in keeping with the era while still feeling fresh and contemporary. From the moment you walk through the front door, you can immediately feel the history of this home. It is rich with Victorian features, from the soaring ceilings to the ornate cornices, the architraves and the overall sense of character and charm that you just don't find in modern builds. As we moved down the hallway into the next bedroom, the owner already had custom robes that they loved and wanted to retain. We worked with those existing robes and extended them to the end of the room, matching the same high gloss finish and continuing the internal custom storage. Overall, it's a clean and cohesive look. Now for the heart of the home, the kitchen. The pantry has been carefully incorporated into the existing space, maximising storage while keeping the layout clean and uncluttered. And let's talk about this flooring. This is a stone composite flooring that we use exclusively. No tricks, no shortcuts, and the results speak for itself. Seamless, durable, and absolutely stunning. The kitchen itself features porcelain benchtops and splashbacks with a beautiful pattern that adds depth and character without overpowering the space. The handles were specifically chosen to suit the era of the home, tying everything back to its Victorian roots. As you'll see from this island bench, everything just ties in together perfectly. All cabinetry is Polytech top-tier quality with a 12-year warranty on cabinetry and a lifetime warranty on hinges. Every detail has been carefully styled, measured and executed right down to the flawless finish. No quads, no mess, just perfection. We especially love this combination of cabinetry, porcelain and flooring, and how it all ties in together and gives an overall subtle nod to the Victorian era home and to a contemporary feeling overall. Next we move into the laundry, which is anything but ordinary. Once again, you'll notice the incredible ceiling height, and the level of plastering required here is no small feat. The cornices, joins and ceiling detail are exceptional. Custom cabinetry, carefully aligned proportions, stone benchtops and splashbacks. This is a laundry designed to be both functional and beautiful. And yes, you may need a stepladder to reach the top cabinets, but honestly, this is a space you wouldn't mind doing laundry in every day. Check out that cornice work. That is really amazing and it absolutely pops in the light. How good is this for a laundry? As we move out of the laundry and into the back hallway, we'll move on to the family bathroom, which has been completely reimagined. A custom walk-in shower with a stunning feature shower panel creates an open, spacious feel. The custom vanity combined with brushed nickel finishes that the owners source themselves adds warmth and elegance. One of the most special details in this room is the original mirror from the 1880s, lovingly restored by the owners. It's a beautiful nod to the home's history and adds so much character to the space. The overall layout, finishes and styling make this room feel larger than what it is while still delivering that luxurious, timeless feel. How beautiful is the shower niche and the combination of the tile and brushed nickel appliances. This renovation has truly been one of our favourites, not just because of the end result, but because of the collaboration with the owners and the respect shown to the home's history. From the custom kitchen, ensuite laundry, bespoke cabinetry, to the stunning flooring throughout, this home has been thoughtfully transformed while remaining completely true to its roots. We'd like to sincerely thank the owners for trusting us with their beautiful home and for allowing us to share it with you. And if you're thinking about a renovation, whether it's honouring a heritage home or creating something completely new, feel free to reach out to Reno Warriors. We'd love to help bring your vision to life.